Good morning, my dear students. We will discuss some more problems meant for class 12 of CBSE which are very often tested in the board in this particular video presentation. The first problem meant for today, which goes like this. In triangle ABC, A is 1, 2, B is 2, 5, A is 1, 2, B is 2, 5, C is anyway 7, 4. Find area of triangle ABC using determinants. I am supposed to use determinants to get the area of this triangle. Okay. Now, area of triangle ABC is equal to half determinant 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 7, 4, 1. You might have said, I'll just recall here the formula. If the vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, it is x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. You can very well say, you might have seen in 11th standard. Just expand here, x1 into y2 minus y3 minus x2 into, you will end up with y1 minus y3 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, which is nothing but half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This you might have seen in 11th standard. The suffixes are in the cyclic order 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. It's easy to remember. Therefore, instead of x1, y1, I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. x2, y2, 2, 5, 1, second row. And x3, y3, 7, 4, 1. Let me just expand here. 1 into 5 minus 4. Minus 2 into 2 minus 7. Plus 1 into 8 minus 35. Let me just try to simplify. I'll get it to be 1 into 1 minus 2 into minus 5 minus anyway 27, which is reduced to anyway 1 plus 10 minus 27. Finally, I'll take modulus sign, because if the vertices are in the clockwise direction, this is like this A, B, C. If vertices are in the clockwise direction, the reduction for this will be negative. The vertices in the anti-clockwise direction, reduction for this will be positive. For I end up with negative sign, negative value here, if the vertices are in the clockwise direction. Therefore, finally I'll take modulus sign anyway. This is reduced to anyway 16 minus 16 by 2 minus 8. Therefore, area is equal to mod minus 8, that is 8 square units. 8 square units. Let me just check the values once again. Half into area of triangle ABC here is half into first row 1 to 1, second row 2 5 1, third row 7 4 1, 1 into anyway 5 minus 4, minus 2 into 2 minus 7, okay, plus 1 into 8 minus 35, okay, half into anyway 1 into 1, this is minus 2 into minus 5 plus 1 into anyway minus, this is minus 27. Anyway, 1 plus 10, 27 minus 11 is nothing but 16. Therefore, I get minus 16 by 2. I take modulus sign. Final answer is 8 square units. I get a negative value because if the vertices are in the clockwise direction, your reduction for this will be negative. Vertices are in the anti-clockwise direction, reduction will be positive. That you should anyway remember. That is the reason why I get a negative value. 27 minus 11 is 16, it's correct. Now for final answer, I take modulus and write. Answer will be 8 square units ultimately. Answer will be 8 square units ultimately. Okay. Answer will be 8 square units ultimately. Now, next I will give you another problem. If the points, let us say 4, 3, k, 6, A4, 3, A4, 3, B, k, 6, C, 3, 4 or collinear, find k. Now A, B, C are collinear. Collinear means they lie on the same straight line. That's the meaning of collinearity. By collinearity means the points lie on the same straight line, which implies area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Implies half determinant 431 K61 341 is equal to 0. Implies 4 into 6 minus 4 minus 3 into K minus 3 plus 1 into 4K minus 8 is equal to 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Let me try to simplify. 4 into 2 minus 3K plus 9 plus 4K minus 18 is equal to 0. Let it be, which implies 8 plus 9 plus K minus 18 is equal to 0. Implies K happens to be 18 minus 17, which is 1. Therefore, value of K should be 1. Let me just check for the calculations. A 4, 3, B K, 6, C 3, 4 are collinear. 4, 3, K, 6, 3, 4 are collinear. If these points are collinear, find the value of K. Let it be A, B, C are collinear. 3 points are collinear if and only if area of triangle ABC is 0. If they are collinear, no triangle is formed. Therefore, area of triangle will be 0. If area of triangle ABC is 0, no triangle is being formed. Therefore, the points are collinear. These are the things you are supposed to anyway remember. If area of triangle ABC is 0, the answer won't get affected without writing even half. But in the formula, half is there. Remember carefully. Since right hand side is 0, even if we eliminate half, answer won't change. But without writing this, you may lose marks in your board examination. Remember carefully. Half is there, very well there in the formula. Half into determinant 431, second row K61, third row 341 is equal to 0. 4 into 6 minus 4 minus 3 into K minus 3 plus 1 into 4K minus 18 is equal to 0 into 2 is equal to 0. 4 into 2 minus 3K plus 9 plus 4K minus 18 is 0. Then of course 8 plus 9 minus 18, 4K minus 3K is K. K is 18 minus 17. Value of K happens to be 1. If value of K is 1, the points will be definitely collinear. The points will be collinear. It's not a difficult task. It is application of determinants. It will be given using determinants. Okay, forgot to tell you while dictating the problem. If they are collinear, find the value of K using determinants. Okay, the descriptive part using determinants will be given. In your MCQ anyway, if the step marks are there, they will expect you to check, they will verify whether you are using determinant or not. Otherwise, even if you use the 11th standard formula, they may not even know in fact seriously. Now, listen carefully. A, next application, the same type. A is 1, 4. Various type of testing. Just see. B is 2, K. C is 3, 6. 3, 6. Now, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 square unit. This is given, find K. Remember carefully, if I am going to draw AC initially, your position of B may be here, position of B may be here. If position of B is here, your area will be, I call it as 1 square unit. If position of B is here, it will be minus 1 square unit. You may wonder, area cannot be negative, but the reduction for this will become negative quantity by having the vertices in the clockwise direction. Reduction for this becomes positive when vertices are taken in the anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, I will take plus or minus 1 automatically. Now, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 square unit. This is given to you in the question, which implies half determinant. I will write 141. 2K, this is K, 2K1, 361 will be is equal to plus or minus 1. While you write the reduction, I'll take it as plus or minus 1, because when my point B is like this, forming ABC in the clockwise direction, I'll end up with minus 1. If my B is like this, ABC forming in the anti-clockwise direction, I'll get plus 1. Remember the difference between the two. Only for writing plus or minus 1, I'll be given full marks. Remember carefully, which implies 1 into k minus 6 minus 4 into 2 minus 3 plus 1 into 12 minus 3k is equal to plus or minus 2. Let me try to group anyway. This is supposed to be k minus 6 plus 4 plus 12 minus 3k is equal to plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2, which implies minus 2k minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 2, or minus 2k plus 10 is equal to minus 2, which implies 2k is equal to 8 or 2k is equal to 12, implies value of k is either 4, value of k is 6. One will give you on one side of the segment AC, other will give you the point B on the other side of the segment BC. Let me just repeat the whole process. A is 1, 4, B is 2, k, C is 3, 6. Area of triangle ABC is 1 square unit given. In this is a condition given to you. Find the value of k. If B is like this, lying to this side of segment AC, my area reduction will be minus 1. You may feel writing the area to be negative is meaningless, but the reduction can be negative. Finally, we may take modular sign and write the answer as plus 1 square units. Remember carefully, if this is the position having ABC in the anti-clockwise direction, my reduction automatically gives you 1 square unit, positive square unit. Now half determinant 1, 4, 1, 2k, 1, 3, 6, 1, 1, 4, 1, 2k, 1, 3, 6, 1 is plus or minus 1. 1 into k minus 6 minus 4 into 2 minus 3 plus 1 into 12 minus 3k is equal to, cross multiply this 2 here. I end up with k minus 6 plus 4, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, plus 12 minus 3k is plus or minus 2. Now for minus 3k plus k gives you minus 2k. 16 minus 6 is 10 is equal to plus 2, or minus 2k plus 10 is minus 2. Take minus 2k to the other side. 2k is equal to 8 or 2k is equal to 12. 8 by 2 is 4, 12 by 2 is 6. Therefore, value of k should be 4. Value of k will be 6. For B will be in one position here, that is the point 2, 4 will give you one value as maybe 1 not plus or minus 1. I am not very sure. Equated to 2 becomes no. Therefore, 4 gives you value to be 1, 6 gives you value to be minus 1. Check anyway, check on your own anyway. Therefore, one value will give you reduction to be plus 1 square unit, other value will give you value to be minus 1 square unit. Okay, I'll check for the calculations once again as usual, and if there is any correction I'll change and then upload. I'll add up and upload, otherwise I'll upload as it is. Thank you students for patient watching. I added this particular problem specifically to think about the different possibilities of position of B. Remember carefully, such a problem may be there in your board examination. Thank you students for patient watching.